Hello everyone. Today we are going to recap everything you've done during the first 10 days of your 100 Days of Code challenge. Congrats if you made it through. Welcome if you're just passing by. You're more than welcome to stay with us, but feel free to start with the D0 setup video and come back once you've completed the first 10 projects. Now, for those who've reached this milestone, how do you feel? Excited? Tired? Overwhelmed? The good news is, you're no longer a total beginner. Every little step you've managed to take during these first 10 days has built a solid foundation. If you've come this far, that's already a huge achievement. In this video, we'll do a quick recap, then I will give you 3 ideas to help you get the most out of the projects we are working on together. Let's review what we have done so far. It will help you realize the progress you've already made. Not bad for just 10 days, right? So for this first important step, here are 3 ideas for you. First, make sure you go through all the MDN links provided at least once. Pay attention to when we introduce new concepts, and make sure you've taken the time to experiment with each of these key ideas before moving on. To help you with this, I've made a list. First, HTML concepts. Feel free to pause the video and read through them. Next, CSS concepts. Again, you can pause the video if you would like to go through them carefully. Finally, JavaScript concepts. Don't worry if some of them don't look familiar yet. You can always go back to your companion guide to review them. The funny thing about building concrete projects like the ones you've done is that you often don't even realize how many key concepts you are learning along the way. Second, note down the difficulties you faced during these first 10 days. Maybe you struggled with the setup. Maybe you couldn't find time every day. Maybe there was a concept you didn't fully grasp, or a bug you couldn't figure out that stopped you from completing a challenge or enhancement task. That's totally okay. Third, I want you to plan some dedicated time to work on the major difficulty you just listed. If it's a setup issue, search online and document your solutions. If it's a concept you didn't fully understand, you would likely get many chances to revisit it later during the challenge. But keeping a list helps you recognize when you are hitting the same obstacle again and again. If that happens, I encourage you to carve out time to read about that concept or watch targeted tutorials until it clicks. This is called deliberate practice, just like professional athletes who schedule specific sessions to improve the skills they find most difficult. Again, don't worry too much for now. Many concepts will come up repeatedly throughout the challenge. And when that eureka moment finally hits, go back to the earlier projects where you struggled. That's a great opportunity to confirm that you've understood it and also to see how much you've improved. That's why it's so important to take note of your blockers when they happen. Enough with the talking. Congrats again on making it through day 10. You're still a beginner, but no longer a complete beginner. Be proud of that. Take time to rest. It's a marathon. Don't push too hard if you are feeling exhausted. And when you are ready, jump into day 11 and the next exciting projects coming up. Congrats on making it through the end of day 10, and good luck with the rest of your challenge. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or leave a comment on the video. Happy coding, and see you soon.